Hi, I'm attorney Doug Mann, the managing partner of Dyer, Groffel, Mann & Schultz. Today I have the pleasure of sitting with my partner, Seth Shaner, who runs our mass tort department. And before we start talking about mass tort, Seth, why don't you tell us a little bit about yourself?
Absolutely. So I've been a personal injury lawyer for 14 years, all of those years here with Dyer, Groffel, Mann & Schultz. I chose personal injury law because as a child, I saw my mother get involved in a series of fairly serious car accidents where she had some fairly significant injuries. And she hired some attorneys that were from out of town, and they didn't treat her correctly. And, watching the fact that they didn't get those future medicals and those future, bills and all the things she was going to have down the line considered as part of her settlement, they just didn't look at the whole view. Really, really affected her, and it still does to this day. And I saw that, and I wanted to kind of make that right on my own end, and that's why I do what I do.
Seth took over our mass tort department, probably about 10 years ago, and you've done a great job. And tell us what is mass torts, and how is it different than class actions? Give us a little clue on how that differentiates and what you do to help the firm.
So a mass tort is when you have a specific product or a device or an event that harms a large group of people. And it could be something like a prescription medication where the company knew about a dangerous side effect and they failed to warn the consumers about it. Or it could be a medical device that's used and the manufacturer fails to warn about an issue that medical device has, or they just didn't manufacture it correctly. And the way a mass tort works is everybody has an individual claim that's evaluated on their own merits when they bring those claims. And even though they're consolidated together as a group for efficiency purposes, the courts require that, you have your own case. And so your case is individual to you. And when it comes time to discuss settlement with the wrongdoer, your case is evaluated by itself. Whereas if you're dealing with a class action, these are cases where you're all just lumped in together and everyone at the end gets some slice of the pie. So it's a very different, a very unique type of law.
Okay. And how many different types of cases in the mass tort unit have you handled over the years?
Oh, my goodness. So different types of cases, probably close to 100 different types of mass tort litigations, and we've represented thousands, if not tens of thousands of clients successfully.
And do you enjoy doing what you do to help people?
I'm very passionate about it. I love it. One of my favorite things is actually getting to know the clients, talking to them, and hearing their stories, and then being tasked to go out there and communicate their stories and tell their stories in order to make sure that they're treated fairly.
And if somebody's watching this right now, how would they know if they have a mass tort case that they should call our office or contact our office? What would they do and how would they go about contacting us?
Absolutely. So if you believe that you've been injured by whether it be a medication, a product, if you had a surgery with an implantable medical device that you're having complications with, give us a call. I mean, our number is really easy to remember. It's just 222-2222, right? So, or you can click the link on this page and fill out a form. But we're here willing to help, and you can call and speak directly with me, and I'm willing to evaluate your claim right there on the phone.
And is there any cost for the initial consultation?
No, we do everything completely free at the beginning. And the way that we handle these claims is the clients never have to pony up any money at the beginning whatsoever. During the process of handling their claim. We only get paid if we do our job, and that's to win the claim.
Well, Seth, we appreciate everything you do at the firm, and we appreciate everybody watching this video. If you need help, call us at 937-222-2222.